on today. Kutie is making a seafood boil. Yes, yes. A seafood boil. Yes, she is. Yes, she is. So without further ado, let me show you what I got going on over here in the pot, preparing, put everything else in. Look at the steam, y'all. Ooh, yeah, look at the steam. Yep, the steam, look at it. Boy, getting ready for some crabs. This is what we having. Got some crab legs, some shrimp. We got our corn that's going in. I didn't do any potatoes because I had french fries earlier. So I didn't want all those potatoes. Not today, not today. So let me put this stuff in here, then I'll be back. 10 minutes up, then I'm gonna add the crab legs. Then I'm gonna cut it off. Then I'm gonna add the shrimp. Then when I add the shrimp, we're just gonna let it all marinate together about 20 minutes. About 20 minutes. And after that, we might let it soak about 25 minutes. We're gonna let it all soak together about 25 minutes. So that way we can really get that taste. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. I'm ready for this crab boil. Oh yeah, Kutie ready, y'all. Kutie is ready. I'm ready for the shrimp and the crawfish. The crawfish are already done. All we gotta do is just put them in the microwave. Like those crawfish, I told you I was getting some more crawfish payday. I told you, because there was some good frozen crawfish the other week. Oh yes, they were. So let Kutie check on this pot over here, and I'll be back. Kutie boil is on point. And I know the taste is going to be on point. I already know that. Because Kutie did it. That's how I know. I'm telling you. Ain't nothing like a Kutie boil. Because a Kutie boil don't stop. Oh yeah, Kutie boil don't stop. It's just the beginning. Oh yeah, just the beginning. So, without further ado, we're about to add our crab legs to the pot. Come on, let's go over here and add these crab legs, y'all. Follow me, y'all. Follow me while I put the snow crab in. Oh yeah, there it goes. Follow me. There's another one. Follow me as we go into the pot with the snow crabs. Follow me. There she goes inside the pot. Look at our snow crabs, y'all. Yep, looking good. Looking good. I'm gonna let that cook for 10 minutes, then I'm gonna turn the pot off, then I'm gonna add the shrimp. And we're gonna let all that marinate and soak together for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'll show you the finished product. Actually, give me 25 minutes. Yeah, give me 25. That way we know for sure that everything is soaked together. 25, I'll be back. I forgot all about I had some sausage in there. I forgot all about I had sausage in there. So you know. Beef sausage that I'm going to have to put in there in the pot. It's an added value. You already know that. I'm about to add these shrimp to the pot. Guess what, y'all? It's ready. It is ready. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Kutie's seafood boil. Y'all ain't ready. Y'all ain't ready. Y'all ain't ready. Y'all ain't ready. I told y'all. Y'all weren't ready. Look at it. Look at it. That's how I look, y'all. Oh my God. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Fabulous. Oh, yes. Fabulous. Cutie did that. Cutie did that. Cutie got to taste one now. Mmm. Yes. Yes. Mmm. Oh. Mmm. I don't have my little cutter things. Mmm. Well, Cutie tastes one of these shrimp instead. Cutie gotta taste one of these shrimp. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. If that crab leg tastes anything like that shrimp, I don't know. I don't know. Again, this is the finished product, y'all. This is the finished product. This is the finished product. This is what we got, y'all. Wow. Looks great. Looks great. Finished product. If I must say so myself, yes, I did a great job. Oh, I did a great job on Cutie Seafood Boil. Oh, yes. And what I use for my boil, salt. Put that salt in that water. Added garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, hot sauce, parsley flakes, onions, lemons, oranges, garlic. I added some cayenne pepper. Mix that all around in the pot. After it came to a rolling boil, I added that Old Bay. I added that Old Bay. Oh yeah. And it was hot. It said hot on the container. So I knew this seafood was gonna be out. Oh, I knew this seafood was gonna be it. When that Old Bay said hot, 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 oh, I knew it. That's why I got it. I said hot, 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 hot. I said, oh yeah, that's what Cutie wanted in her boil. So I did that, put all that together, mixed it all up. So I added my corn. My corn cooked for 10 minutes. After that, I added the crab legs. They cooked for 10 minutes. Mixed everything all up, the corn and crab legs. Stirred that pot up real, real good with all that seasoning up in there. Ooh, just thinking about it. After I did that, then I remember I had some sausage. So I cut the sausage up. I put those in there. Let the sausage cook for like 10 minutes. I cut the pot off. I added my shrimp. So I let everything just marinate in that seafood bowl for like 25 minutes. After 25 minutes was up, I took the top off. I stirred everything, mixed everything together up in the pot. Then I took everything out, and that's what you saw. That was the end result. Can't beat it. Can't beat it, no matter how you try. As always, head over to YouTube, Cooking with Cutie. Like and subscribe. Share the video. After that, follow your way on over to Instagram, Cooking with Cutie. Follow me over there. Until the next great recipe, as always, like and subscribe and follow Cooking with Cutie.